In this video, I will show you how to lock apps on Android phone easily. And if you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, simply start by opening your Play Store on your Android device and then search for app lock pips tech. So you can see the spelling. Search for it and you're going to see two app locks at the top. The first one is the normal version, then the other one is the light version. So the version that I need you to install is this one that is 30 MB with about 100 million downloads. You're going to see pips tech on it. So just download this version to your device, or rather install it to your device. Now once it's done installing, click on open, and then it's going to ask you to draw an unlock pattern. So make sure that this pattern that you are putting in here is something that you can easily remember. So draw it the second time again to actually confirm. So once you are done, click on agree and start. Now the first thing you need to do is to activate this prevent uninstalling or force close. The reason why you need to do this is because, let me say for example, you lock an app like Instagram on your phone. If someone is unable to access your Instagram, the first thing that that person will be trying to do is to uninstall your app lock. So if you activate this, they will be unable to uninstall this app lock, which means it's going to be able to protect your applications much more better. So let's activate it. So to activate it, simply click on this lock icon at the right. So it's going to ask you to actually permit. So just click on permit. That will actually take you to your settings. So once in your settings, all you have to do is just activate them. So you're actually going to need to activate it twice. So once you click on it the second time, you see the second permit at the bottom. So click on that permit, and then you are going to see the app over there, app lock. So activate it. So once you've done this, you see that the icon is now locked, which means that these settings have been activated. So what you have to do now is look for your applications. So just scroll down. So while scrolling, you see all your different applications. So just activate anyone that you like to lock. So I'm going to be locking my Canva app. I will also be locking my CapCut app and my ChatGPT app. So right now, let's give it a try and see if it's actually going to work. So let's try opening our Canva app. So if we try to open the Canva app, you see it's going to ask us for our pattern. So except you have the pattern, that is the only time you'll be able to access it. So let's try ChatGPT. So if you click on ChatGPT, let me find my ChatGPT, you see it's also going to ask for the pattern. And now let me pretend like I'm someone that wants to try to, uninstall the app. Let's check this ChatGPT again. Okay, it's asking for the pattern. It's working well. So let's pretend like I'm trying to uninstall this app lock. If you try to uninstall it, it's going to also ask you for a pattern. So you can see this actually works very, very well for your Android device. So make sure to install it and start utilizing it today. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it's actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.